Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha Reese and here are my DIY nails that I have done. If you want to learn how to do these in about 10 minutes for about $3, then stay tuned and let's get started. What's up loves? As you can see by the title, you know why we are here. So to get quickly started, these are the nails. Okay, they were $1.29 at the local beauty supply store, and I bought a nail polish and a gloss for $1 each. There's a buffer, those are the extra nails, nail glue, clip, file, and these are the nails that I've already fitted. As you can see, I already have one on, where there's one on that one. And what I am doing is I'm fitting them and then I'm clipping off around the edge and buffing them. Well, filing it down and then buffing and gluing them on. So let's get started. Okay, so I showed you that I have those two on, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go over here. And as you can see, it's pretty square. So what I do is I just put it on. And I know these are tips, but this is just for like 2 days, right? So I put them on and you see that it's like over the skin, right? So what I do, I take my nail file and I clip the edge just a little. Other side, just a little. Okay. And then I just go ahead and I curve around. And you can see that it curves around so much better, right? Okay. So then I'm just gonna buff that nail. Just a little bit. I also need to buff this little tip out. I don't like sharp edges, only because we're dealing with children around here. So then you put it on and you'll see if you need to cut it more. I need to buff a little bit more right there. I'm gonna do that off camera. You can see, I don't know if you can see, that's better. But anyways, fit it on and boom. It's perfect for me. So I'm just gonna I only need a little bit. Now take this and I'll fit it in. All right. Just for a second or two. There's the next one. So we're going to go ahead and do what's left and take it from there. And I'll meet you back. Okay, I am done with one hand, right? So we're going to go ahead and get started on the other one. Alrighty, loves, look at there. We are done applying the nails. This nail always seems crooked, huh? Anyway, so yeah, we are done applying the nails. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead, wash my hands, and I'm going to paint them this color. What color is that? There you go. So, let's do that. Come back. All right, y'all ready? Here we go. So this is polished and glossed. They look amazing, right? They look so good. I'm so excited, you guys. So like I said, I only need these for a few days, but I'll update you to let you know how long they last. But I think the color complements my skin tone a lot. So yeah, I just messed this one up. I tapped it like I just tapped that one, but I'll fix it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays. Bye.